So, ano tong e-car? Electronic Certificate Authorizing Registration. So, yung e-car is, yun yung yun yung automated form ng BIR na kung saan pinalitan yung manual process na nagko-confirm ng tax payment ng isang property o stock transfer ng isang company. Kumbaga, isa tong tax clearance document na nagpapatunay na nabayaran. Bayad na yung stock for a property and stock transfer ng kung ano man yon. So, e-car. Okay, yung stock transfer ng property at saka yung stock, yung taxes for property is nabayaran, then yung stock transfer, yun yung ng electronic certification authorizing registration o yung e-car. So again, IT vlog at the same time taxation vlog din. So may mga automated systems na yung ating BIR. Kaso ang problema rito, mahina yung internet. Yun ang hirap dito eh. May pabagal yung internet connection. Pero may mga meron tayong mga online and digital systems for that. Ang hirap lang kasi yung internet connection mabagal. So maganda na pag-aaralan natin. Pag-aaralan natin yung e-car. Pwede ring business vlog to kasi papasok to sa taxation. So, yun lang po.